Welcome children, welcome to that second part of practical geometry. Here we are constructing quadrilaterals when two diagonals and three sides are given. Here I am doing that problem example 2 and exercise 4.2 for you. And first one, it is example 2, construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 5 centimeter. The diagonals are given AC equal to 5.5 centimeter and BD is equal to 7 centimeter. First we have to draw a rough sketch for visualizing our original figure. When you are drawing that rough sketch, you can use a scale for that, and we just want to draw a quadrilateral. It is not related with that given measurements. For visualizing the original figure only, we are drawing that rough sketch, and we can give that name A, B, C, D. And here it is given BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Right here BC 4.5 centimeter. AD equal to 5.5 centimeter. Here it is AD 5.5 centimeter. Then CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Then diagonal AC, we have to draw the diagonals. AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. And another diagonal BD. BD also we have to draw. It is 7 centimeter. Now just observe this rough sketch that all given measurements we have marked here, and see here if we are constructing this triangle ADC or ACD first. See this triangle we can construct first because the three sides are given. This triangle first we can draw AC with the 5.5 centimeter. Okay, then first we are drawing that AC with the 5.5 centimeter. Here it is 5.5. Join this line points. Now we have got AC. Give that name also AC 5.5 centimeter. Then next we have to take our compass, adjust our compass width from A. The point D we have to find out first. So from A it is 5.5 centimeter away. So adjust our compass width 5.5 centimeter. That is same as this AC. Then from A 5.5 centimeter. So point on A, point our compass on A and draw an arc on the upper part. Then D is 5 centimeter away from C. So we have to adjust our compass width 5 centimeter on our ruler. Take 5 centimeter distance of this compass and pointing on C, draw another arc pointing on C. Then we are getting that point of intersection, that is D. Mark that D here and join AD and CD. We have joined that AD, then CD also join like this way. Then we can write that measurements. Here it is AD 5.5 centimeter and CD 5 centimeter. Then next we have to find out that point B. Next point B we have to find out. It will come down of this AC, so that from C B is 4.5 centimeter away. So we have to adjust our compass with 4.5 centimeter and pointing on C we have to draw an arc. Then we are taking 4.5 centimeter compass width. Here it is 4.5 and pointing on C, draw an arc. മതി സല്ലേട്ടാ, ഞാൻ വരച്ചോളാം പിന്നെ. Then see children, here we have taken CB 4.5 centimeter and drawn one arc here, and AB it is not given, so that we have to take that distance from D to B, it is 7 centimeter. So we have to adjust our compass with the 7 centimeter, and pointing on D, we have to draw that arc here. That arc will intersect with this arc. So let us take 7 centimeter compass width. So I have taken that 7 centimeter compass width and pointing on D, that is DB only 7 centimeter. So we have to point our compass on the point D and draw another arc. Here you can see it is the intersecting point, and this point is our B. Give that name B. Then join AB and CB. Now we have constructed our quadrilateral, and we have to write that BC 4.5 centimeter, and don't forget to draw this BD, that is given 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Now our quadrilateral ABCD is ready. We have constructed that ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD. Then next we are doing that problem, exercise 4.2, first question. Construct quadrilateral lift. LI is equal to 4 centimeter, IF is equal to 3 centimeter, TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and IT is equal to 4 centimeter given. So first we have to draw a rough sketch of that lift. We can draw a rough sketch of that lift and give name LIFT. LIFT, and give that measurements on this rough sketch. LI is equal to 4 centimeter, IF is equal to 3 centimeter, TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and IT is given 4 centimeter. We have to join I and T. Here it is 4 centimeter. And now look at that figure, this rough sketch. Here if we are drawing that triangle TLI or TIL, both are same. This triangle, that means 3 sides are given. We can easily construct this triangle TLI first, so that we have to take our compass, not compass, we have to take our ruler and draw. First we are drawing that TI 4 centimeter. See here, this is 4 centimeter. From here to here we are joining a line 4 centimeter, and TL it is the diagonal TI only, TI diagonal TI 4 centimeter. Then L is the point 2.5 centimeter away from T and 4 centimeter away from I. So first we can take 2.5 centimeter width, compass width, and draw an arc pointing on T. 2.5 centimeter compass width I have taken here, and pointing on T, 2.5 centimeter, pointing on T, draw an arc like this way, and this is the point I. From I, 4 centimeter distance we have to take to L, and adjust our compass with the 4 centimeter. Then next also I have taken that compass with the 4 centimeter. Then pointing on I, draw another arc. This point of intersection of these two arcs is the point L. Write L here and join this point L and T like this way, and this point L with I also we have to join here. Then LF is given 4.5 centimeter. We have to join LF and write 4.5 centimeter here. Then next point we have to find F. Here TIL we have got. Next is the point F. For finding F, 3 centimeter away from I. So we have to adjust our compass width to 3 centimeter and pointing on I, draw an arc. Here I have adjusted that compass width to 3 centimeter and pointing on I, draw an arc like this way. And after that, here we did not get that point F now. Here TF is not given, but LF is given. See here, L is here and F should come on this arc. So LF is given as 4.5 centimeter. Then we have to adjust our compass width 4.5 centimeter. Here I have taken that compass width 4.5 centimeter and pointing on L, draw an arc like this way. Now we have got that point of intersection of these two arcs. This is the point F, and we have to join this point with the T and I like this way. Join that points. I also we have to join with the F, and we have to write that measurements also. T IF 3 centimeter, IF 3 centimeter we have taken, LI 4 centimeter, TL 2.5 centimeter. Then one diagonal also we have to draw. Here two diagonals are given. We have to draw that also. That is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now our quadrilateral lift is ready. And the second question, exercise 4.2, question number 2. Construct quadrilateral GOLD, GOLD. OL is equal to 7.5 centimeter, GL is equal to 6 centimeter, GD is equal to 6 centimeter, LD is equal to 5 centimeter, OD is equal to 10 centimeter. So that first always we are doing just drawing a rough sketch of the quadrilateral. And give name GOLD, G-O-L-D, GOLD. And OL is given 7.5 centimeter. Let us write 7.5 centimeter here. GL 6 centimeter. GL we have to draw here, that is the diagonal, that is 6 centimeter. GD 6 centimeter, also GD here it is 6 centimeter, and LD is equal to 5 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, OD 10 centimeter. So we have to join this. 10 centimeter is the length of OD. This much things are given. And just to look here, GOLD, here we cannot construct this triangle first, GOL, because here one side and here there is no side, here one side is given. So it's better to construct always these three sides are given. This triangle, you can see this GD or DGL, this triangle. So we have to construct this triangle first, because we can see here GL is given, GD is given, here LD is given. So construct GLD first. For that, take your ruler and draw GL, the diagonal GL with a 6 centimeter. We are drawing that GL with a 6 centimeter. and GL. Here it is 6 centimeter. And next we have to find the point D. From G it is 6 centimeter away. So we have to adjust our compass width 6 centimeter. Now I have taken that compass width 6 centimeter. So from G, D is 6 centimeter away. So pointing on G, draw an arc on the top of this. We have drawn that arc here like this way you have to do. Then from L 5 centimeter distance, adjust your compass width 5 centimeter, and here I have taken that 5 centimeter compass width. Then pointing on L, similarly pointing on L, we are drawing another arc like this way. Now we have got that point of intersection of these both, and this is the point D. We have got the point D, and now we have to join this point D with G and L. So first we can join with G, and with L, LD also we have to draw that line segment LD. Then that part it is okay. GLD, that triangle we have drawn. Then next we have to find that point O. This point O is 7.5 centimeter away from L. So we have to adjust our compass width 7.5 centimeter and draw an arc pointing on L, 7.5 centimeter. I have taken that compass width 7.5 centimeter. Then pointing on L, we have to draw an arc. Then pointing on L, draw an arc like this way. Here it is coming, and here you see L, O, there only we have drawn that arc with a 7.5 centimeter. Then next we have to take this DO, 10 centimeter. Here GO is not given, so we have to take the distance from D. DO is 10 centimeter, so we have to adjust our compass with the 10 centimeter. Then pointing on D, this is the compass with the 10 centimeter. Pointing on D, we have to draw another arc. Pointing on D, we are drawing that arc like this way. Then we can, now we have got that point O. Mark that point O here and join with the G. GO, we have to draw that arc GO and LO. Now this is the required quadrilateral GOLD, and we have to write that measurements here. OL is equal to 7.5 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, DG or GD 6 centimeter, and that diagonal, one more diagonal it is given, that it is we have to join this point OD, that is 10 centimeter. Now we have constructed quadrilateral GOLD. Then our next question is exercise 4.2, question number 3. Construct a rhombus bend where BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. We have to draw a rough sketch of this rhombus, and we should draw that rhombus itself. And this is the rhombus, rough sketch of that rhombus bend, BENT, and BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter. We have to draw BN, that is equal to 5.6 centimeter, and DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. DE 6.5 centimeter. Here these two diagonals are given and that sides are not given. We don't want to get that sides, these two sides enough. We have to use that property. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. So we have to draw these two diagonals. For that, perpendicular we have to draw, that is easy only. So that first we can draw that 5.6 centimeter length BN. So here I am drawing that line segment 5.6 centimeter. Here it is 5.5, this is 5.6. So this is BN with 5.6 centimeter length. Then next we have to draw this ED, that is the perpendicular bisector. You know how to draw that perpendicular bisector, taking more than half of this line segment. I have taken more than half. Draw an arc up and down. And similarly, pointing on this another side, another point N, draw an arc like this way, and down also we have to draw that arc. Now we have got that point of intersection of these arcs. Just join this. Here this is the perpendicular bisector for this line segment BN. Then see, these diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Bisecting means making this as two equal parts. That means total 6.5. ED is equal to 6.5. Then from, if we are giving a point O, OD is equal to half of this ED. Then we can write half of ED is 6.5 divided by 2. That is equal to 3.25. Then take our compass width 3.25 on our ruler. I have adjusted that compass width 3.25 here, and pointing on this point of intersection of these two lines, point it here. Compass we have to point here and draw an arc here, and down also similarly we have to draw that arc. Okay, then this is our point D here. Children, please note this only, that point, not this one. And here also this is the point E, and this is just a point of intersection. We have got for drawing that perpendicular only. This is the point E and this is the point D. Now we have to join these points DB, BE, NE, and DN. Now our rhombus BEND bent is ready. And children, if you are drawing that 6.5 centimeter diagonal first, and next when after drawing that perpendicular, you have to take that half of 5.6, that is 2.8 centimeter compass width, and you can do. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can put a comment under this. I will answer that. Okay children.